A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Consumers will be getting some reprieve at the pumps this week as petrol prices dip to reflect declines in the Gulf reference prices of fuel. With a look at the magnitude of the decline for consumers, we go to Dashan Hendricks at the Smartboard. Dashan?
After 3 weeks of increases, Petrojam today says it will be cutting price of the petroleum products it supplies across the board, starting first with E1087 and E1090 gasoline. Both will be going down by some 71 cents, easing them off their 4-year highs. The price of diesel, both the regular and the low sulfur variety, will be falling by more than $3. Regular diesel is down this week by $3.22, while the low sulfur variety declines by $3.56. Kerosene is down as well. It falls this week by $2.31, while cooking gas, the propane variety, declines by $1.48, while butane goes down by $1.54. So price declines across the board for petroleum products. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. In the meantime, the price of oil has declined as well. Oil ordered today for delivery in July was selling for $45.72 a barrel at the end of trading. It was down $2.47 from yesterday and the lowest finish since May 4. The price of the US dollar dipped to the lowest in a month today. At the end of trading, the greenback was being sold for an average $129.77. The Canadian dollar is selling for $96.27. The pound sterling costs $167.10, while the euro now goes for $146.43. Jamaica Broilers today launched what it says is a hardy layer chicken for backyard farming, which it hopes will help to raise egg production. The chicken was unveiled at the launch of the 65th Denby Agricultural Show, which is set to take place from August 5 to 7.
We have a special imported genetic variety, which is specially for backyard farming. It's called the Barred Rock chicken. I was going to make a token presentation to the minister here. This chicken is a very special animal. It's very hardy. It can kill mongoose, it can kill chicken hawk, and it can destroy radial last nests. Right? And if you look at the viciousness of this chicken, you'll see that it has every potential to go forward.
Well, there are about 750,000 layers in Jamaica producing eggs on commercial farms. Jamaicans consume about 3 million kilograms of chicken meat each week, of which only 17% is imported mainly as chicken back. Prime Asset Management is now the VM Pension Management Company. The rebranding was officially unveiled at a ceremony in Kingston on Tuesday night. CEO of the Victoria Mutual Group, Courtney Campbell, says the rebranding will enable VM Pension Management to grow the pension market by leveraging its parent company's brand name and also its network.
But why is this important? And I want all of us to really think very carefully about this. The global retirement systems are facing a crisis. And there's lots of writing about this. What is happening is that we're all living longer. And it's happening in Jamaica as well. People are living longer, but we have not been saving enough to cope. So as a result, the World Economic Forum recently published an article in which they point out that the retirement systems, the pension schemes, are having to deliver 3 times as much as they were designed for.
The VM CEO also explained that while the retirement age remains at 60, people are living much longer than 50 years ago. In Jamaica, it is expected that people will live on average 16 years after retirement, and the National Insurance Scheme, NIS, and savings may not be enough to fund a person's golden years. Some more company news now. In Main Event Entertainment says its profit dipped 6% in the financial year, which ended on October 31, 2016. The company said its profit at the end of the financial year was $56 million compared to $60 million made in the prior year. The lower profit was recorded as higher costs impacted revenues, which grew by $100 million to $1.13 billion. And finally, trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended today with the main JSE Market Index up more than 308 points, while the Junior Market Index lost 7 points. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Grace Kennedy, Lasco Distributors, Panjam, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Barita Investments, Cargo Handlers, Dolphin Cove, Jetcon, Main Event Entertainment, and Supreme Ventures. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.